Welcome back to our channel. Question number 3 is about the amount of nitrogen oxide produced. Nitrogen oxide, where is it here? So one reaction produce 2, okay? So we have a given the reactants copper 6 mole and nitric acid 12 mole. So look at them, look at the ratio. So let's find out which one is the limiting reactants, okay? This one is copper is 6/3, so 2, okay? Nitric acid 12/8, so just 1.5. Oh, the smaller one decide the thing. So the limiting factor is here, so only 1.5 of the reaction will made. So nitrogen oxide is 2, okay? So 2 times 1.5 is 3. So 3 mole of nitrogen oxide will be produced. So it is A, okay? You got it? Yes. So I'm gonna say you are well done. Okay, see you for next question. Bye.